You probably have more important things to do than to stare at ZDX dashboards all day. So alerts are a great way to have ZDX keep an eye on your organization's applications, networks, and end users, and notify you when an event requires attention. To configure and manage alert rules, select Alerts from the main menu, and then go to the Rules tab. First, let's take a closer look at what's included on the Alert Rules page. Along the top are several filter options. For example, you can filter the page to only list rules for a specific application and probe. The table below shows details for each of the existing rules, including their status, the alert rule type, application and probe, and their alert delivery method. Additionally, you can quickly check the rules criteria in detail. Next, let's look at how easy it is to add a new alert rule. The Alert Rule Configuration Wizard walks you through the required steps. First, you'll need to configure some basic settings, starting with the alert rule names. Second, select the severity level. The options here are high, medium, or low depending on the impact of this event on your users. Third, you'll need to select the alert type. The available type options are self-explanatory and include application, device, network, or ZDX score. We configured an application alert in the previous step, so you now need to select an application, for example, Microsoft Login and its web probe. You then have the option to configure filters. For example, you could limit the alert rule to a specific Zscaler location and department. Depending on the alert type you configured in the first step, there are different criteria options available. Since we configured an application alert earlier, the criteria here will be application related. For example, page fetch time and DNS time. You can combine several criteria with logical and/or combinations. In the next step, change the default throttling options to make sure that the help desk doesn't get swamped with notifications about one-off or minor issues. Nobody needs alert fatigue. Finally, select the delivery method for the alert. For example, email. Review the final alert rule configuration, and if everything looks good, click Save. As always, you will have to activate the changes. There are also options to edit, delete, mute, or unmute a rule. If a rule is muted, the alerts can still be viewed in the ZDX admin portal, but no notifications will be sent via email or webhook. The new rule is now listed on the Alert Rules page and will trigger an email notification whenever one of the criteria threshold holds is exceeded.